crazy stuff. Look at my controller. Water everywhere. And that drone is hovering there. Even myself, I can't stand here now anymore. Let me just go in the shelter. Alright. Now this drone will suffer a lot. It is in the rain. Water everywhere on the drone. Look at the condition now after flying this drone in the rain. The drone is still on. Hey guys, I'm back with another crazy idea on this DJI Neo. It's a request for one of my subscribers as well. This is a DJI Neo. I'm going to fly it in this rain right now. Look here. It's raining pretty bad. 2 seconds, my controller is looking like this. So I'm gonna fly this drone in this rain right now. Let's see if this drone will survive and this idea, will it work or no? I'm not sure. I don't think this idea is going to work properly, but let's try it. I'm not gonna fly it for long, maybe 2 minutes. Let's see if this drone is going to survive or no. Let's get started. Let's see if this drone will survive in this rain. All right, let's go. All right. It's already shaking. I don't think it is going to work. All right, just because of the air pressure, one of the propeller just broke off. All right, so this propeller just broke off because of this umbrella which I tried to make a plan. So this umbrella was shaking a lot on the drone, so it just hit one of the propellers and the propeller just broke off. So I have just replaced it. Now I'll have to fly without this umbrella. Let's see how it goes. We will have to take this risk. We will have to take this risk. This is what I do on my channel always. So let's see. The weather is really bad. All right, there is another wave of thick rain. Let's take this drone for a spin now and let's see what happens. It's also windy. There my drone is hovering now in the rain. All right, the rain is all right. It's not slow now. It's not a slow rain anymore. Let me show you. It's not slow rain anymore and the drone is hovering pretty stable. It's also windy. Let this drone hover. Let me actually fly it around as well. Let's see what happens with this drone, man. It will maybe fail while it's in the flight. I don't know. I'll keep moving it around. Alright, it's getting bad now. Even I can't stand here anymore. My controller is getting water everywhere. I will give it 1 minute in this kind of rain now. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to be the last flight of this DJI Neo. Look at the sky and look at this controller. Water everywhere and that drone is hovering there. All right, let me keep moving it around. So maybe there will be low chances of getting rain inside the drone. It is crazy idea. I will not recommend you to try this kind of stuff with your drone. All right, let me bring it down. All right, still flying. Still flying. There, it's hovering in the rain. There I can see water. on the drone. Alright, it does not look that bad. Let's send it again up in the air, because I want something crazy stuff. Look at my controller. Water everywhere, and that drone is hovering there. Even myself, I can't stand here now anymore. Let me just go in the shelter. Alright, now this drone will suffer a lot. It is in the rain. Water everywhere on the drone. Look at that rain. Let me show you. Here. Let me bring it back. It's been almost 3 minutes since my drone is in the rain and it's still stable. There is a thunderstorm. One of my subscribers was asking me to fly in this weather. There you go. There is your Neo. It's still flying. It's raining like this. Look at the controller, and the drone is still in the air. Let me land it now before it fails in the air. There is the Neo. See, water everywhere, water on the drone, everywhere water on the controller. Let's dry them up and let's see if they're still working. Look at the condition of the drone and the controller now. There is water everywhere. Everywhere is a water. Let me quickly clean it up and let's see if this drone will still keep working. Right now I can see this drone is still on. It's still there's no red lights. I think it will still keep working because I don't see the water went inside. But let's quickly still clean it and let's see if the drone is still working. Alright, I'm back inside the room. Look at the condition now after flying this drone in the rain. The drone is still on. Here is my GoPro. It's also having water on it, but the main, look at the controller and the drone. Let me quickly wipe it up and let's see if that's still alright. Let me start from the controller because the controller looks more bad. Even the water is going inside these joysticks. It's going to be bad. Let me quickly switch it off first. And here is the drone. Let me switch it off as well. There is water on the drone everywhere. Even on the camera also there is water. The main water what was visible, that is gone, but we never know if the water went inside the electronics. I can see some water there on the camera also. I'll clean it up. Actually, I do have the air blower also. Let me blow some air on both of them and then I'll switch them on and see if they're both alright. This is the air blower which I have. Is actually quite strong, which I used it last time while I was having the stability test on this DJI Neo. It's very strong. Alright, let me blow some air on this. Alright, I can see some water here inside this button, but I will leave it for dry. Let's see what happens. So far they look good, both of them. Let me switch it on again and let's see if it's still working. However, I will never know if there is water inside. That will not show me any problems right now. Maybe it will show me later on, but let's see. So far, for now, there we go. The drone is still on, still flying. There is showing the camera. Alright, so this was the crazy stuff with this DJI Neo. I hope you like it. If you do like, please subscribe my channel. Until next time, ciao ciao.